everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dawn and I hope you're all doing so well, especially at the end of this year. So I'm filming this on the 28th of December, which is also our anniversary, my husband and I. I want to greet you, happy anniversary, love you. And for this video, I'm going to do a New Year's makeup look. So right now I don't have anything on, although I did prep my skin. I hope you guys enjoy this video. By the way, if you like these types of videos, please subscribe and click that notification bell to be updated for more content like this. So anyway, let's jump right onto the makeup routine. So first of all, I'm going to put on a little bit of foundation. And you guys know, especially for those who have watched my videos, I love my Missha Cover Cushion foundation, so I'm going to pat it on. You can use any type of foundation that you want, especially those that you know work well on your skin. So far I like this foundation because it does do very well in covering up my scars and my blemishes and my discolorations too. These two sides of my face, you can see a lot of redness under my nose here, but it definitely decreased on this side. Although I'm putting a little bit more because I left my concealer with my sisters. They haven't brought it back yet because we haven't seen each other for quite some time. Okay, and I think that's it. Normally I would put concealer on, especially on my under eye bags, but since it's missing, I just put on more layers on my eyes and on the areas that I want to have covered. So let's move on to the powder. I'm using the Essence All About Matte powder that you have also seen in my previous videos. I also like to put some of the powder in my neck area. I don't really put a lot of foundation in my neck area because I don't want to stain my clothes, but what I do put is the powder that I use. So there you have it. That's my powder and foundation on. To be honest, I don't really know what to do for my eyeshadow, and it's just like when I first started this year, I wasn't really sure what'll happen, but one thing is for sure, which is also what I can share to my brothers and sisters who share the same faith. As long as you know who is in control, I don't think we have to worry for the future. So I hope to impart that peace that we have. But anyway, let's continue. So I have here my Squad Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use this pink one because from the first time that I used it, I really liked it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Putting it on my other eye. Oh, I love that already. It's rose gold. I'm going to put it over my crease. Okay, there you go. And I'm also going to put a darker shade of pink or red here. I'm going to take this red one right here, but I'm going to use a different brush to pack it up. This kind of reminds me of my watermelon look with the red eyeshadow. But I'm going to add more glitters in the inner corners of my eye. Okay, so I hope you guys see the difference between the gold and the red, and that was kind of what I was hoping for to happen. Alright, for the bling, although I do have a little bit of glittered eyeshadow on my eyelids, I'm going to take my glitters They're kind of rose gold. I'm not sure if I showed it to you guys before, but this is the color. It's a pretty rose gold color. And what I will do is I'm going to take my eyelash glue and try to put it under my eyelids. Have it here, and let's just try to put a little bit of glue. First, I'm going to transfer it to my finger. Oh, that's too much. You also have to be careful not to put this under your eye or inside your eye. Well, I think that's pretty. I think I put too much, but anyway, I'll just put a few in at the center. There you go. You can use your hands or you can use a brush. There you go. Oh, I like it. Kind of want to extend it. If you have those readily available eyeshadow, glitter eyeshadows with sort of like the glue on, that would be better. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to brush the excess glitter away and make sure that my eyes are fully closed. Again, this is a disclaimer. You don't have to do this with glitters. I'm just doing it because I like how pretty the glitters are, but I am careful enough not to put them inside my eye. So right now I don't feel anything or any glitter inside my eye. And if you do have your own glitter eyeshadow that are really specialized for this, I recommend that you use those instead. So you have to be careful first. Let's brush this off. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with this one. I can clean it up later with tape. But anyway, now it's time for the eyeliner and my eyeshadow, everything that is supposed to be put in the eye. So let's go. As for the eyeliner shape, you can just do whatever you want or whatever you're used to. I am going to make it slightly flat, and then of course I'm gonna do it outward. Okay, so I think I am satisfied with my eye shape. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara and some false eyelashes on. So I already put 2 false eyelashes here on my right eye, and as you can see, they are much thicker compared to my eyelashes on my left eye, which are more sparse, of course. Now it's time for the other parts of my face, which is contour, blush, highlighter, and my lipstick. And now let's move on to blush. I have my Perfect Diary Satin Touch Cream Blush Duo in Sunburnt. It really does have a pretty packaging. And let's use this one. It's Bare Orange. Since I do have intense or unintense eyeshadow already, I just want to make sure to put my blush and contour to a minimum, something that looks natural but still there. The lips, I don't want anything so overpowering, unlike the previous video that I did. I had a red lipstick for Christmas, which is perfect. I am going to use Cashmere Rose from Butterfly Kisses Cosmetics, and I'm going to use my fingers to just dab it all over my lips. And I'm using this method just to make sure that I don't put too intense of a color onto my lips, because once I use the lipstick directly, I fear that I would be putting too much color on. That's why I'm just using my fingers to transfer the color from the lipstick onto my lips. I really like how the lipstick turned out. It's not too pink or too pale for me, so I really like it. There you go. And once again, I just used my fingers to transfer the color from the lipstick onto my lips, and I like how diffused it looks, because I do have an intense eye already, so I want to make sure that the concentration or the attention is onto my eyes compared to on my lips. But I think my lipstick is really still cute. Although if you do want that ombre look on the lips, you can always just apply some directly onto your lips in the middle, and then that's when you can blend it outward. Let's try that now. If you like this type of lips, it depends entirely onto you. I do want the look that I had earlier on, so I'm just going to erase it with a little bit of tissue and dabbing motion. But on some of my bling, just to have my final look before the video ends. This is the final look, complete with my accessories. I hope you guys enjoyed and like this overall makeup look that I have for the new year. It has a lot of glitter and a bit of red, so if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. You can also share this video to your friends and loved ones who enjoy this type of content as well, and you can also subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to click that notification bell to be updated for more content like this from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wish you all the best, especially for 2021. I know that we've had a lot of setbacks this year, but I just want to share this message before I end this video and before we end this year. And just as we start 2021, for my Christian brothers and sisters out there, I know you're familiar with this. It's Jeremiah 29:11. It's, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So just hold on to that promise from the Lord, and I think that there will be peace inside our hearts, just like what happened with my heart. There's definitely a lot of peace despite the uncertainties. I do know who holds my future, and I hope that you all know so too. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next year. Oh, I will see you on the next video next year. Bye! By the way, guys, it was getting warm, so I decided to put my hair up, and I kind of like it. Do you like this style with the hair up? It's a messy updo. Please comment down below if you like my hair down, or if you like the whole look with the hair down or with the hair up. So I think I kind of like it with the hair up, especially because my bling can be seen. Okay, so that's it. That's really it, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!